Okay, in previous session we used cout JSTL code tag to send the data inside this value attribute to the browser. We also used escape XML attribute to stop escaping of XML and HTML data. Now in this lecture I am going to use another very popular, very useful attribute of JSTL cout code tag, and that is default attribute. Default attribute is used to send a default output to the browser when value evaluates to null. So let me go and modify this code by using here a declaration tag, JSP declaration tag. In JSP declaration tag we usually declare the variables or methods. So I'm going to have here a string variable str and assign it a value null. So here we have in this declaration tag str variable of string data type, and the value assigned to this str variable is null right now. Now if I simply pass here this str variable inside the value attribute of cout, then what is going to happen? When I will run this JSP file, this cout JSTL code tag will simply send the value stored inside this str variable, that is null, to the browser. So let's execute this file and look on the output. So run on server, finish. Okay, so look here, we don't have any output. It is just because this cout JSTL code tag is simply sending the value of str, that is null, to the browser, and browser is rendering null, so we are not able to see any output. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the default attribute here. I'm going to assign here a string message, default string message. Now this time, since the value attribute of this cout tag evaluates to null, because we have stored here null inside this str variable, so in this case this default attribute will simply send this message to the browser. Now if we rerun this file once again, what is going to happen? Since the value attribute of this cout tag evaluates to null this time, because we have stored this null inside this string variable str, hence this default attribute will simply send this message to the output browser. So let me show you the output once again. Choose run on server, click finish, and look here, the value is stored in default attribute, I mean the string is stored in default attribute, is being displayed inside the browser this time.